Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. We welcome you all to our online teaching academy. This video is on Coorg, the second part of Glimpses of India from CBSE 10th English. The chapter Coorg is written by Lokesh Abrol. In this chapter, the author talks about Coorg, a small district of Karnataka. Here it describes its wonderful nature, weather, people, and its wildlife. Now let's get into the chapter. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that might have drifted from the kingdom of God. Here the narrator talks about the location of Coorg, which is in between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Coorg is so beautiful that he compares it to heaven that might have come from the kingdom of God. So drifted means being carried along gently by air. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. This land of rolling hills is occupied by martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So, martial means having to do with war. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforests, spices and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district. So Coorg is otherwise called Kodagu. It is a small district in Karnataka. So we can find here evergreen rainforests, spices and coffee plantations. So Coorg is famous for evergreen forests. So 30% of this district is covered with this evergreen rainforest. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. So during monsoon, it gets a heavy rainfall and visitors cannot go to this place. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measures. If you want to visit this place, September to March is the right time because weather will be very pleasant. So during this period, that means between March and September, weather is perfect. Maybe there would be some shower. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. So the air in that place will be with the coffee smell because the whole place will be with coffee plantation. So these coffee estates and colonial bungalows are found under the tree canopies. Canopies means umbrella shape roof that is formed by big trees. And colonial bungalows means residential unit of British colonial members. So these colonial bungalows and estates are found in some prime corners. Prime corners means some important corners. The fiercely independent people of Coorg or possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Here the narrator speaks about the origin of these Coorgis. So the origin of these independent Coorgis may be of Greek or they may be Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So one story says that long ago when Alexander's army came to this part, it was impossible for them to return. So they settled here. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. So these people married amongst the local people. Their martial traditions, marriage and religious ceremony are different from the tradition of Hindu mainstream. So mainstream means tradition which most people follow. So their culture is clear. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas. Known as kufiya, it resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas, which is known as kufiya, is similar to Arab's kufiya. So these similarities prove that people of Kurg or Arabic descent. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. These Kurgis are known for their hospitality. What do you mean by hospitality? Welcoming people wholeheartedly and treating them in a nice manner. And so they are also very much interested to narrate many stories about their sons and fathers in which their bravery involved. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army and the first chief of the Indian army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Even now, Kadavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. So there is a unit of army in Coorg, which is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. What do you mean by most decorated? It means having received a maximum number of awards for bravery in war. So General Cariappa, who was the first chief of the Indian army, was a Coorgi. So these Kodavas have the special privilege to carry guns without license because they are known for their valor. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg. Here the narrator describes the beauty of the nature of Coorg, where Kaveri river gets water from the hills and forests of Coorg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruits for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Mahasir, a kind of a large freshwater fish, are found more in number. Kingfisher, which dive for fish, and squirrels and langurs would drop partially eaten fruit in clear water to enjoy splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. And here abound means plenty. Ripple effect means little curly waves. And here elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. So here the author says that how elephants enjoy when they are being bathed or scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So if any lazy person goes to Coorg, he becomes more energetic. because there are many adventurous activities like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. So he can take part in these activities and he can enjoy. So there are also many walking trails in this region. What do you mean by walking trails? It means the paths created by walking. So these paths would be uh, useful for the trekkers. Birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. So, the birds and insects like bees and butterflies would be our company. As we walk, we can also see the arboreal animals like macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories. They would be sitting and watching from the tree canopy. What is that tree canopy? It's an umbrella shape formed by trees. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. So the narrator wants to be um, away, away from the elephants, and he wants to be safe because sometimes wild elephants will be very dangerous. The climb to the Brahmagiri Hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisarga Dama. So once you are on the top of the hill, you can get the complete view of the misty landscape of Coorg. So when you walk across the rope bridge, you can reach the island called Nisarga Dama, which is about the area of 64 acre. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailakuppe is a bonus. The monks in red ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India right here in Coorg. So you can also run into Tibetan settlement called Bailakuppe, where you can see Tibetan monks who would be in red, ochre and yellow robe. So the visitors would be surprised to find this Tibetan settlement in the heart of Coorg. So that would be one of the many surprises the visitors would find. Ochre means orangish brown color. Children, I hope you would have enjoyed this lesson. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. See you in the next class. Thank you.